1. Discover unmatched convenience. This is the tool/device/accessory that solves common pain point, so you no longer have to struggle. 2. Built for everyday use, strong, reliable, and ready to perform whenever you need it. 3. Perfect for both beginners and pros, ideal at home, work, or on the go. 4. Compact yet powerful, takes up minimal space, but delivers maximum results. 5. Save time and energy, do in minutes what used to take hours. 6. Designed to last, quality construction that won't wear down after a few uses. 7. Versatile in every sense, adapts to multiple situations and meets many different needs. 8. A great value, premium features at an affordable price point. 9. A smart buy today, because once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.